We're going to talk about chatbots today, one of the hottest buzzwords in AI and business over the past 2 years. Chatbots are a recent manifestation of advances in natural language processing that has been applied in the area of human-computer interaction. It is essentially a conversational agent wrapped around a traditional software service. They're not entirely new ideas. Those of you who are old enough to have used text-based software interfaces like DOS and Linux know that before GUI was a thing, people used to use text-based interfaces and command lines to run their software. And that's a kind of conversational interface. The difference is that in the old days, the rules of that interaction had to be pre-programmed inside the software, and it was based on very strict syntax, well-defined syntax. Today, thanks to advances in natural language processing, you can interact with the software the way you would normally text your friend on your smartphone.